Hello and welcome to my channel. Do you have one of those superb Bose headphone Soundlink 2 and you would like to know how to add the device, remove a device, or even change the language on it? I will show it to you now. This comes automatically in English, but it's possible that you want it to in another language for whatever reasons. So no worries, you put it on here, you press it up, and then obviously this will talk to you. And now here we've got three buttons here. So to select the new language, you just press the middle button with the top one at the same time. You press them for a few seconds. Okay, I've heard it now. He selected a language, and what we'll do, you will select with the plus button and the top one, you will go and you will hear that he will select another language. So you carry on like that until you've selected the language you want. And once you've got the one you want, you press the middle button for a few seconds and that will be set. Now what happens when we want to pair a telephone or many telephones on the headphone? Well, very easy. First, you see you've got the on-off button. You press it on, but you leave it on top of it for a few seconds. Once it's done, you will have a little blue light that will appear here, that will be flashing. So that means it's pairing. Now on your phone, doesn't matter if you got an iPhone or Android, you will go onto settings. You don't add the Bluetooth immediately. You go on settings like this, okay, and now you go on to Bluetooth. Once you are in the Bluetooth area, you should see the list of items that are connected. So obviously it doesn't appear the Bose, but you've got at the bottom the Bose that appear. Okay, so all you have to do now is to click on it. You should have a message asking you if you want to pair with it. Here we go. You select yes, pair, and that's it. That will be done. Now you'll be ready to listen music with it. And now finally, if you have quite a few devices connected on to that headphone, and obviously when you want to connect your phone, you've got an entire list that goes on and on and on searching for yours. It will obviously be best that you clear everything. For this, it's very easy. You simply hold the power button up for 10 seconds. Once you hold it for 10 seconds, suddenly you will hear that it's all cleared. And then you can just put your phone and that will be done. Okay, so anyway, I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you, and we'll see each other in the next video. Ciao!